Winter's Tapestry, celebrating holidays across faiths.
Hanukkah Judaism. It is celebrated by lighting the menorah, adding a candle each night, playing dreidel, a spinning top game, eating foods fried in oil like latkes and sufganiyot, and exchanging gifts. Christmas Christianity. Christmas commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ and is celebrated by Christians worldwide on December 25th. Traditions include decorating Christmas trees, exchanging gifts, attending church services. Diwali Hinduism, Sikhism, Jainism. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is a significant holiday for Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains. It celebrates the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Kwanzaa African American cultural holiday. Kwanzaa is a week-long celebration observed from December 26 to January 1st, honoring African heritage and African American culture. It focuses on 7 principles and Guzo Saba, including unity, self-determination, collective work and responsibility. Las Posadas Christianity Latin America. Las Posadas is a 9-day celebration in Mexico and other Latin American countries leading up to Christmas Eve. It reenacts the journey of Mary and Joseph seeking shelter in Bethlehem. Participants go from house to house, singing, praying. Bodhi Day Buddhism. Bodhi Day is observed by Buddhists on December 8th. Varies by region to commemorate the day when Siddhartha Gautama, the historical Buddha, attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. Each of these celebrations carries its unique significance, rituals, and cultural practices, emphasizing themes of light, community, family, and hope during the winter season. Exploring these diverse traditions can promote understanding, respect, and appreciation for different cultures and faiths during the holiday season. Happy holidays! Scan QR code to give. Make a difference. Thank you.